And we are back, traders. We are back with more. Let's see if we can grab a dip here. Let's trade a lot less and be more conscious about the trades we take. So, dip right here, 292. I'll take it here. Maybe 7. There's a seller at 3. Maybe looking for a little bit more. What is this here? 98. Okay. I mean at 88 actually. I'm gonna have to size down on this. Get a good fill there, but sizing down because disrespected the gap. I'm not sure where the buyers are gonna be standing. So let's see. You can still salvage this trade. Oh, oh. Okay. So I'm gonna take some out right there. It's not going in the. That's why we took only 1.2. Not a lot, but okay, here we go. We can still salvage this trade. Disrespected the gap, but the dip was well. There were buyers down there. So let's see if we can make this work with 200. Any extra dips? I don't think I want to take it. So if it starts dipping down, it starts trending down again. Makes it hold this level. Good. Okay. So it's a 5-minute gap. Oh, wait. It's coming down. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. 84. Okay. Anyway, ended up being a small loss, I guess. Taking it out. It's another gap down here. 76.68. That could be good. Okay, that one worked a lot better. Jeez. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. It's kind of getting away from me here. That's the kind of volume I wanted to see when I got in, but it happened a little lower. So dip on that gap was perfect, a 5-minute gap. So now we got momentum going higher. And okay, this is great. This is great. But I don't want to miss this. I'm gonna have to take a dip somewhere here and catch a six. I'll take that 14, 600 shares of 14. I'll take it at 3 again. Maybe I'll add on this gap and go here at $3. Yeah, there you go, 306. So 311 is that average. Don't break 3, because that's gonna kind of suck here. There's sellers there at 310. Hopefully we hold 3. Good. Some crazy volatility on this. Buyers at 305. Good job. I need to see some green here. We'd love to see some green. There you go. I'm gonna start scaling out here, because I don't think this is gonna do it, but we'll see. Giving it a try. Giving it a try, giving it a try, giving it some room. It just had such a great candle. And this market could be wild, man. So that entry was a 307. First entry was a 306. We're holding 3. Holding 3 here. 292 is that low. Yes, there you go. Nah, dang it, I gotta get out. Have to get out. That was a good attempt at 3. Okay. So it looks like we're folding here. No, man, the bounces are just very not very good. Definitely don't want to be down this much so early on. But 92 keeps holding. Just had such a great candle, so I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna get in there 14. Half the size, and then add it a little lower just to get an extra trade, an extra better average at 310. It never went above 310. But I know that when this thing goes green, it likes to go green very fast. So I didn't want to be holding that, so I had to get out at 3. It broke 3, went all the way down to 93. It tested this gap. The gap and go didn't work. Let me see if I can try to gap and go here. So there might be a chance for another move here. So I'll try it with smaller size here for a gap and go. 92, 88. I'll take it again down here, 76. 76, 68. Yeah, whatever. GCTK. It's 130, not a big deal. GCTK. Moving a little higher. 109 is that low. What's it going to be? GCTK. 126 is my target, pre-market high, you know. So stop on this would be 109. All right, looks like it's gonna go. Volume picked up here. These two candles picked up a lot of volume. Good bottoming wicks here. I want to grab a dip on this if it's available. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to push it higher with this with a tight stop at 16. I need a tight stop here at 16. Yep. Tight stop 16. 20. Big sellers at 20. So getting out flat. I don't think so. I don't think so. There were sellers at 20. Gonna give it some more time. So that's a trade I need to avoid. I've been jumping into a lot of those trades in a slow market. That's hardly gonna work. So I gotta get on dips. So let me see if I can get on dips instead. Because if I jump in, I gotta hold, you know. Didn't break 16, went up to 19. I got a high fill 19, so I would still be flat, and I wouldn't want to fold that. So I gotta avoid stuff like that. So this one, 76.68. This could still give a good dip here. Second time. Stop at 68 on this. GCTK, it's moving, it's grinding just a little bit at a time, looking for a dip, does not give me a dip. 76.68. It hit 75. Keeps holding 76. Buyers coming in at 76, 74. I'll take it in. And at 78. 78. Ideally, this will start to go pretty soon. The stop's going to be flat, 78. So I got, what is this level here? 90. Like this low. I really like this low. Don't want to get out at um actually I'm gonna take half here. It wants to go lower. I'll take half. It wants to go lower, I'll add a little lower. I don't know if I want to add a little lower. It's below VWAP. I'm reconsidering that. So I'll take some out here. Let that ride. See if I can grab another move. This one. Nice. Okay, cool. So here, 21. Broke that level. It's choppy. It's not clean. Oh, here we go. Keep it. I'll take it out. Made some back there. Not much. 60. Yep. There's another gap down here. 57.47. There are opportunities every day. I missed this one. That was a great dip there. So I'll see if I can get this one and I get a really awesome bounce here. 57 to 47. I'm getting here 56. Just a little lower, maybe. Fine. Buyers were stepping in right there, 54. So here we go. And at 54, below the previous is going to be 53. So maybe there's a dip here. 60. Gonna be oversold. Holding here. Touch that gap, so we're looking for my stop 53. Green, come on, brother. Looking for a good bounce here. Those 3 red 5-minute candles in a row. Doesn't seem like it's ready. Big half right here. Looking for the other half to make that attempt a little higher. Don't break 60. Break 60, back over 60. I like this here. Possible dip under 110. If it doesn't go here, it might dip. The volume is light. Yeah, out. What's happening here? GCTK, big rejection. Oh, 09 could be a good spot. 10, 6. Ooh, tough, 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 tough action. 02, 06 here. Oh, 01 might bounce, so I might take 01 here. No, did not bounce 01. Taking my setups and back to the lows. I was confident that was gonna bounce. Man, yeah, the day is cooked today. I think this still has a dip in it. 47.57. Dip right under 50. In right here, don't. I'm in at 45. They broke that gap, so I don't really like it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of here. They broke that gap, so no man's land right at the moment. Thought it would just be a quick one right under 50. It held very strong here. Try to make a move. Coming down. Yeah. Nope, 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 nope. Leaving it alone. 8 trades today, 8 losses. Well, most of them losses, I think. Keeping it tight. This thing only had one good bounce right here. I tried other dips, nothing, bro. One good bounce. That's like my day right here. Buy this dip, boom, add on the next one, boom, take it all the way up to 33. That's the day. What's the low of this? 51. This could be good. Oh, almost bought that. Ah, man, these dips are death. Almost bought that too. Get back over 50, I'd buy it. Back over 50, good. Let's see how long you hold 50 though. Yep. And at 55, sure. A little higher, but just fine. 51, don't break 51. Looked like it was going to hold, so let's see, looking for a green candle here. It's a gap reclaim. Trade number 8. Yeah, I need to stop. Yeah, I need to stop. I need to quit trading. Oh, I think I'm gonna stop because I'm losing another 40 bucks here. Throwing out money. Throwing out money, money, money. Dude. Yeah, I'm throwing out money. Down 250. I'm gonna have to grab a dip here. Follow my rules. VWAP is 76, so a dip anywhere here would be appreciated. I gotta be patient on the dip. It's coming. It's coming for sure. Let's see here. 91. There you go. 80s. And then 91. Uh, what am I gonna do after this? So if it doesn't break, if it goes to 88, I'll probably get it out. But looking for a push here. Nice. So if it goes to 4, I'll add over 4. Guess I think it'll work. Nice. 4. Nice. Come on, bro. Let's go. Push, push. So 401 there. This could be a really great move. Shorts could get squeezed here. So looking for shorts to get squeezed. Oh, come on. What? Okay, back. This wants to be a little shaky, huh? Want to be a little shaky there, trying to shake people off. Ah, you son of a gun. Gonna have to get out soon if it doesn't work. So 94, looking for this candle to be green. So what could I do here? I mean, 77 is VWAP, so I can maybe reduce risk here and see if I can grab a dip lower. So let's see if I can get a nice. Okay, looks like it bounced, so holding on to this. Next candle coming up here. Reducing risk here. Looking to add lower. Looking to add lower, maybe in the 77s. Give it some time, but it doesn't want to go, so I'm gonna have to take it out at 4. Maybe look for it one more time. Oh, it's struggling at 4 quite a lot. Oh, okay, cool. So ended up going there. Just 100 shares now. So there it is. Okay. So trying to get this move, if it wants to push, high of day is going to be 54. Wow. 70s. 82. I added right there 74. No, I'm getting smoked on this. No bounce. 82 is the average. Entry 74. No, I don't like this, but what are you gonna do? That ended up being a loss altogether. Massive drop. Good thing I sized down well. Yep. This stock, bro. What's it gonna be? I want to get in here. Honestly, just small size. Uh, good dip. Failed, reclaimed. Now what? The algos are sitting maybe down here in the 80s, so maybe a dip somewhere in the 80s, 88. right here, 200 in. Small size. 200 in. I want to see this thing hold, bro. It's trying and trying again and again. So it's ready. It's primed for a short squeeze. Primed for a short squeeze, and I want to add to this. Once it starts to open up, it's gonna be fireworks. So I think I got a good entry there. '94 is my entry. It's gonna be, what's the low of this? 90. The low of this is 87 apparently. 5 minute looks great for a push. 5 minute looks great for a push. So it dipped down. I didn't even see it. Kind of was looking away. Well, that's good, I guess. Didn't get stopped out. Back to 94. Um, can I just be patient here? At this point, we just had a dip, another dip. If this comes down to 94 again, I might need to take this off. So it's important that we at least hold this area. The range is pretty wild, pretty wide. Here we go. Come on, baby, come on. Stop his break even. Stop his break even. Anything can happen here. Holding four. Out. Ah, that's so lame. Where did I get out? 93. Stopped out just to see this thing go. Ah, that's so lame. Yet another dip. Ah, maybe I need to take more size so I can take the 10 cents. Ah, that's a shame. What do we got here? Nice dip into 70, 80s. Dips are bouncy. No, not a good spot for me yet. The dip was good. I don't think it's ready. Okay. Good move here. This one just keeps going up, like, but it has such a wild spread. I kind of don't want to touch it. Here we go. This one, 96 is that low. We could get in here. Little dip under 4. If it's setting up, it's gonna set up. And it's gonna get these people looking for a dip under 4. 96 is my stop, so pretty tight. Tight stop. I want this one to work right away. It's setting up very nicely there. 402 was that low. The previous low was 402. But a quick dip under 4 would be nice. Dip under 4. The range is getting tighter, as you can see. Oh man, I didn't get the dip I wanted. It's gonna go here. Dang it. Uh, is it gonna go here? Looking for a dip. 396 is a place where I would want to get it. 396 is a stop. 4 was not bad. So maybe algos are picking it up at 4. Let's see how well 4 holds here. Maybe 6. Yes. In a 99. Let's try this. Stop is 96. Don't fail me here. Good, good push, good push, good push. We start to see 20, so I'm starting it out. I start to see 20, so start scale out. But this is good thus far. Come on, I want to give it some room. I want these guys to step in on this next minute. Don't fail now. Step in, brothers. Step in, buyers. Step in. Buyers, step in. Buyers, step in here. Step in, buyers. Step in, step in, step in here. Step in, brothers. Come on. Nope, out. Out right there. Didn't work. So 74. Oh, wow. So what now? Is that dip gonna be better? 94, 93. No, okay. Ah, man. Kept it pretty tight. L97. Extended dips could work, so looking at this at VWAP. Looking for VWAP. There's a buyer right here, 95. There's a buyer there. Tight stop. Ooh, 97. You gotta be joking me. Ah, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Ah, there was a buyer there. I got pulled into it. Dang. I got pulled into that buyer. I got filled 97. That's ridiculous, brother. Okay. I got one last straight in this and then I'm done. Should I buy this weakness or is it gonna destroy longs here? I want to see this massive reclaim here. So here we go, 60s. I'll just give it one more shot. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. I'll just give it one more shot. No, I did not see 57. It did not go to 57. At least the level 2 didn't show it. I'll take it, whatever. So right here in that 64, 200 shares. Time for the massive reclaim. Massive reclaim initiated in at 64. 200 shares, not much. Last trade of the day. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it'll be a $300 loss. Below that is 52. 60s is holding. It didn't actually go to 57, so that's the thing about this. Yeah, this ain't it today. It's my last trade. Giving it chance after chance. That was five red 5-minute candles in a row. Now looking for this to go now. Might take more time. I'm gonna get out. Whatever. 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 It's not the day. All right, we're gonna call it here. Max loss. Max loss sits within 200 or 300. So, respecting my max loss most, man, I hit max loss like 3 times this month. 4 times. And this one, well, this was just a wild day that I regret. Man. Okay. Um, yeah, no words. 14 trades, really? 14? Okay, well, a couple of those were questionable, so let's see. Uh, dude, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses in a row. Oh, dude, what in the world, man? What happened? I'm in here 600 shares. I'm thinking this is gonna continue, but man, just getting cooked, getting smoked early on. Getting smoked early on. Trying it here, also not working. Trying it down here, also not working. I guess it moved a little higher, but yeah, I tried it again, you see. So I knew there was buying, so I bought it right, I bought it again. 60, 61. Yeah. Tried it one more time, didn't work. That's it. XTLB. I'm sorry, but this was so stupid for me. So dumb from me. Oh, I gotta be better than this. I cannot believe I threw away $100 on this. At this level in my career, I cannot believe I threw $100 on this. Gap reclaim. If it doesn't reclaim, I need to get out, brother. Get out. Get out. Why did I wait so long? Ah, man, I think it's just frustration. At this level of my career, this cannot happen. In here, 90, out of 4, out 94. I'm thinking, okay, let's see if we can find a good move higher. Nothing. Flushes. I add on the flush. It's on this, I mean, it's a gap. It breaks the gap, it reclaims, I add on it. I see that there's no continuation out. Ended up being an $8 loss, so managed it very well, considering I took 400, I think, up here. Or 200, was it? Or 4, I don't know. Trying it one more time, in a 93, working through the chop, nothing. In right here, 99, trying to get a good trade, nothing. This is kind of a silly trade. I gotta avoid this. Gap reclaim, thinking it's gonna go now, nothing. Then there's another trade down there, which is pretty flat, nothing there. And then GCTK, what did I do here? Where was this loss? Oh yeah, I took 3K right at 1 because I'm thinking, okay, this is actually gonna this might actually bounce at 1. 1 is a very strong level. There was a gap, I think. Where was the gap? I think this was the gap here. So what made me take it was as these bottoming wicks were here. So I'm thinking, okay, there's a gap right here that's sitting right at 1. Let me see if I can grab it. In 101, no bounce. Absolutely no bounce. Anyway, this market is pretty rough for me, down 300 bucks. We're still green in the month, but man, it's been so rough. It's been so rough, bro. It started off very well, strong days. I wish I didn't take this. Honestly, it takes one bad day and it's just like kind of ruins it after that. Ah, I I hate this. I remember this. Ah, man, I gotta get over this. But just after this hold, I just ate 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, 4 losses. Just like buying it at the highs, and it's just like, come on, man. And I miss all this whole move here. Yeah, can now make a single dollar today. This past 2 weeks, I've made no money, brother. $0, made no money. I think tomorrow, let's just finish a green and try to salvage whatever we can from this month. Be up 1,000. All right. Anyway, on a lighter note, a better note, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try for free. 7 day free trial. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. It's the best trading analytics platform. I know we're going through a rough patch of 2 weeks, but trust that I will reclaim the best version of myself. The version of myself that made 7K in a month. That version's been gone for a minute. That version's been gone for some time now. Let's see. Well, let's see. I've been trading for some time. 2025, we did well. 2024, look at this beauty, bro. So much more green compared to this. The amount of red. More green. Green is good. Green is good. Just small numbers. Small numbers. Small numbers. You know? Just grinding on small numbers. Period. That adds up to 2K. Wow, unbelievable. Amazing. Where are these days? Small numbers, grinding it out. Small numbers. Look at this. Bang. $600 loss. Ooh. But man, we started sizing up. And then come November, it was such a beautiful month. $8,000. What a marvelous month. Green every day. Consistency, man. Every day I came in here just like, okay, gotta do what I need to do. Trade them to the best of my ability. I was scalping. I was hyper scalping basically. Just hyper scalping. Bang. Hyper scalping. Taking the small wins. But I look at this, like I wasn't even trading too well, you know? But the market was choppy. $300. Well, man, like look at these moves, you know? You look at this, bang. Another massive move. That's amazing. Where are the biggest winners at? This is one of the biggest winners. Not this one. 4,000 shares on a penny stock. Oh yeah, on a dip. We were doing it. We were doing it. Whatever we were doing, look at this. We were doing it. We were hyper scalping 94 trades. Ah, anyway, so that's kind of 2024, one of my best months. I need to get back to just sticking to the green, even if it's small. Green is good. 2025 was rough. This is a vacation. I didn't trade at all. 2026, too many red days. Too many red days. I gotta be more patient. January was looking pretty okay. More green. February, red. Clustered. March, more red. April, more red. Okay, come May, we're gonna turn that around. We're gonna turn that around. It's going to be everyday green, no matter what. All right. Hit me up on Discord, join our community. I will see you tomorrow for the last day of the month.